Introducing my pink dragon. Good morning, everyone. I just could not stop sharing my babies. And these are it's a calamondan or Asian lemon lime. And look, they are so healthy and beautiful. Oh, I love it. So they're having a party right now out in the rain. We needed some rain. Oh, they're gonna be happy camper. My Thai constellation, Monstera deliciosa. This is the Thai constellation, and then this is just regular, the deliciosa, Monstera deliciosa. And look at this leaf, huge leaf, real big. And check this out. I'm just so happy that they're able to have some rain. And then this is my cute anthurium. It's a baby. So anyways, it's my belly and my elbow, Monstera elbow. And let's see, oh, very good, it's Sissy. So I'm just enjoying out here. It's raining and I just like to share to all of you guys. Oh, look at that. That's my tetra. And that's the rest of my front door. I just love it. Huge.